Hi, yeah, this is the unit of the Northlink. You can see that this is the mezzanine flooring, the mezzanine second story, and laminate office where they partition and box out to make it enclosure with the enclosed windows seal up. And this is one of the enclosure of the office. It's just newly painted, and newly touched up. As you can see, they had done up the window, and this is the extension mezzanine. Let me open the window for you. This is the extended mezzanine flooring. You may use for uplifting of the goods. It shall be less than 5 kN. We will check for you how what is the kN for this extended mezzanine. We can see the we can see the pocket of the from this window panel. We can see the pocket of the streets of Johor. As now is the evening time, so it's not so clear. Is immediate for this unit. Let us proceed to the second floor mezzanine. Let us proceed to the production area. This is the original mezzanine, whereby you see the flooring is quite open. The extended one is what they made of. So we proceed to the production area. They have parts of the granite. This will be the production area. The total square feet, including the mezzanine, car park, and the strata title void space, is 5188 square feet. It's very spacious. This is the car park space area. There's two access doors. And it comes with the attached toilet. They have a separate toilet internally because it's quite big for the space. They have a ladies and a gents. That's about it. Thank you for your time.